The Fortiva credit card is designed for individuals looking to rebuild or establish their credit, but it comes with some serious considerations. After using it for a trial period, I found that while it can be a stepping stone for those with poor or limited credit history, it may not be the most cost-effective option. The application process is straightforward, and the card does not require a security deposit, which is a major plus compared to secured credit cards. It also reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, making it a useful tool for improving your credit score when used responsibly. Another positive aspect is the pre-qualification option, which allows you to check your eligibility without impacting your credit score. However, the Fortiva credit card is notorious for its high fees. The annual fee can be as high as $175 in the first year, with additional monthly fees starting in the second year. The APR is also steep, often exceeding 29.99%, making it a costly choice for those who carry a balance. Additionally, the rewards program is limited and does not offset the high costs, offering modest cashback rewards in select categories like groceries or gas. The mobile app and online portal are convenient for managing your account, making payments, and monitoring your balance, but these basic features don't make up for the card's significant expenses. In summary, the Fortiva credit card is best for people who are unable to qualify for other credit-building options. While it can help you rebuild your credit, its high fees and interest rates mean you need to be cautious about how you use it. If possible, explore other alternatives with lower fees and more favorable terms before settling on this card.